Topic is universal journal, very important concept in real time. Okay, so far we have discussed about ECC tables, right? So tell me what are the ECC tables? Anyone?
Line item table,
Yes.
G, GL open item table, GL cleared table, GL master chart of accounts level, GL master company code and header data.
Okay, GL open item, what is the table? And GL cleared item, what is the table? And tell me what is the line item table? What is the header table? Okay. Okay, guys. Very important topic. See, last time we discussed about only ECC tables, okay, but today we will discuss about only SAP S4 HANA tables. Okay, only SAP S4 HANA tables. Okay, so if you put 4+ years of experience, if you add any ECC experience, then you need to tell the ECC tables to the interviewer if interviewer asks you. Okay, but if you put some SAP S4 HANA projects, don't tell about the ECC projects, ECC tables. Okay, not required, right? So SAP S4 HANA tables, very important concept. Universal journal, universal journal. The topic name is universal journal. See, guys, we have ECC tables, right? ECC tables for GL open item, GL. Okay. So BSIS, BSEAS, and one more table I told you last time. Tell me what is the table? BSAS, BSATS, BS.
SKAI for Master Chart of Accounts.
Okay. That is the different. Okay, BSIS is the GL open item, right? GL
Yes.
open item means
It should be cleared against
the
uncleared items.
And what is the header data? What is the header data table in SAP?
BKPF.
All header data.
BKPF.
BKPF. Okay. It is same in SAP S4HANA. In SAP S4HANA, it is same. Okay. It is same in SAP S4HANA. There is no change in BKPF. Tell me the line item table.
BSEG.
BSEG.
Okay, so it has been changed. So it has been changed. We don't use this table in SAP S4HANA platform. Instead of this, we will use ACDOCA. Tell me, what is that? ACDOCA. So ACDOCA is called as a universal journal. Universal journal. So BSIS is the open item in ECC. Okay, ECC table. But in SAP S4HANA, we don't use. Okay, so but it will work. If you try in the SAP S4HANA system, it will work. But it should be considered as view tables only. View tables, but it should not be used for any customizations. Okay, so we don't use in SAP S4HANA. That means these tables, this is a GL open item, GL cleared item. It will not work in SAP S4HANA platform. We don't use. Okay, and header data table is BKPF. So it is same. There is no change. Okay, in SAP S4HANA we can also use BKPF, but BSEG we don't use. So instead of BSEG, so it has been changed. ACDOCA. So ACDOCA means it's a universal journal. Okay, universal journal. So in ACDOCA, so in ACDOCA, the data will be stored in the column oriented. So in the HANA base, data will be stored as the form of tables, right? ACDOCA table is column oriented, not row oriented. The data will be stored in the ACDOCA is column oriented, column supported, not row. Okay, it's a column oriented completely. Okay, column oriented. It's not a row. Data will be stored in the ACDOCA is only column oriented. So by if column oriented storing, if data is stored in the column oriented, then we can compress the data. We can compress the data. Okay. So what kind of data? What kind of data will be stored in the ACDOCA? So all your general ledger. Okay, general ledger. Okay, all your general ledger, accounts payable, receivable. Okay, everything. General ledger include all accounts payable, receivables. Okay, and COPA. COPA means profitability analysis. This is one submodule in SAP CO. COPA, material ledger. So material ledger information. This comes under the product costing. Okay. So material ledger, COPA, asset accounting. So all asset accounting data, like line item, only line item telling. Okay, material ledger, COPA, general ledger. So these are all general ledger including accounts payable, receivables. Okay, and COPA, material ledger. See, it is including CO data. So it is see ACDOCA. See in ECC we have separate tables for CO module. In ECC, so we have separate tables for controlling. Okay, controlling for line item level. But here not like that. Okay, so it containing the controlling data. Okay, like product costing, COPA. So you will see these details particularly. So this table replaces so many tables in ECC. Okay, I will show you the document. Then you people understand what is the ACDOCA. Let's see, guys. Okay, in ECC we have so many tables. These are all line item tables. I would say indexed tables and aggregate tables. So indexed tables are BSIS, BSAS, BSAD, BSIK, BSAK, BSIM. Okay, these are all indexed tables in ECC. Okay, in ECC these are all indexed tables. We have aggregate tables also. So GLT 0, GLT flex, so many tables in SCC, ECC. So almost 150,000 tables are there. Okay. So these are all indexed line item, open item, cleared item, customer open item, customer cleared item. Okay, vendor open item, cleared item, GL open item, cleared item. These are all tables have been removed, not required in S4HANA platform. Okay, but so these tables will work as a view table. We can see the reports, but so we don't use these tables for customizations. Okay, for customizations we don't use. And these are the tables for asset accounting. Okay, all these tables have been completely eliminated, removed. Okay, these are the material ledger tables. Okay, so tomorrow interview will ask you what kind of tables have been removed in S4HANA platform. You can say like this: BSIS, BSAS, BSID, BSAD, BSIK, BSAK, BSIM. Okay, and tables, aggregate tables, indexed tables, aggregate tables, material ledger tables, asset accounting tables. Okay, line item. These are line item tables are completely replaced with the ACDOCA. There is only one table. That is the reason it's a universal journal. Universal journal. It's a single source of truth. Single source of truth. But these are all multiple sources of multiple truth. But so ACDOCA is only single source of truth where we can see all information. Material ledger information, COPA information, GL information, vendor information, customer information, asset information, all the line items information we can see in the ACDOCA. That is the advantage. That is the advantage in ECC. Let me show. So ACDOCA table S4 user 87. See, in ECC platform, ACDOCA will not work out, but in SAP S4HANA, this is the main table. Okay, SC16N. Okay, just put SC16 and give ACDOCA. ACDOCA, enter. Okay, so remove this 500. If you put 500, system will show you only 500. Okay, so check how many number of entries in the system. So many entries. So click on this. So click on this. So in ACDOCA, what kind of information will be stored? Okay, so what kind of information it will be stored? So I will show you one thing. Okay, so ACDOCA, right? Before executing this, just double click on this. Just double click on ACDOCA. So here, universal journal entry line items. Okay, ACDOCA is activated in your SAP S4HANA system, and simply short name is ACDOCA Universal Journal Entry line items only. Okay, and go to technical settings. Go to technical settings, and see. Go to DB specific properties. DB specific properties is see. It's a column store. It's a column store. It's a column stored only. Okay, so ACDOCA is a column oriented. So ECC, almost all of the tables are row oriented, but it's a column oriented. So we can do the parallel processing. We can compress the data. Okay, and multiple actions we can perform. Even CO data also storing in ACDOCA. Okay, and all the open items, cleared items, tables also replaced with this ACDOCA. Okay, GL open item, cleared item, vendor open item, cleared item, customer open item, cleared item. All these tables have been replaced with the ACDOCA. Now you just execute. Okay, now you just execute. Okay, now you just execute here. If you look out the document number, see ledgers. In ACDOCA, what kind of information will be stored? All ledgers information. Leading ledger, non-leading ledger, extension ledger, all your ledgers information. So let's say, for example, so I take our company code. So our company code is KM, right? So how many ledgers the data is stored? So click on this, okay, and just a filter. So it has stored OL and KM, okay. So I created only two ledgers, OL and KM. So your data is storing in all ledgers, leading ledger, non-leading extension. Okay, so in ACDOCA, the data will be stored in all ledgers. And the second point is, there are document numbers. Okay, this is document number, and what kind of records, document types you will see in ACDOCA. So here also you will see. Okay, this is the document. So all the document types. Okay. See, this is my company code. That's the reason showing only SCA general ledger. If you remove this, okay. So if you remove this, you will see entire information. So very important concept. Okay, interview will ask you this question. Tell me about universal journal ACDOCA. You tell these things to the interviewer. See, if you look at this, it's a column oriented, half kilometer. The data is storing in column oriented. Okay, so we can compress the data. Okay, and so check your document type. Yes, document type. So just a filter all the documents. SA, general ledger, vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer invoice, customer payment, asset document, asset posting, acquisition, and depreciation, and just like KM means it's a down payment, what we call down payment request. Okay, payments, customer credit memo, okay, accounting document, all the things, all the arguments, vendor PO invoice. Okay, all documents, including CO documents, also will be shared here. Okay, will be saved here. So this is ACDOCA. Okay, so it containing the controlling information also. Okay, and currency information also. So like how many transaction you book right now only booked INR, but if you book in other currency, all currency information. Okay, we will see all currency information also in ACDOCA. Okay, so this is the balance transaction currency, company code currency, global currency, functional currency, freely defined currency. Total 8 freely defined currencies. Okay, all freely defined currencies also will be available in ACDOCA. Okay, so currency information, ledger information. Okay, all types of documents, vendor open item, customer open item, cleared items, all information, material ledger, COPA. Okay, so total line item reports, asset accounting will be stored in the ACDOCA table. It's a column oriented completely. Okay, so if interview asks you a question, you need to tell these things to the interview. Okay, sorry, saying something. And tell the interviewer what kind of tables have been removed. Okay, so these are the tables are not worked in SAP S4HANA platform. We don't use. Okay, so if you check this tables, it will work, but it's considered as a view tables one. For example, BSIS is the vendor open item table. So give this company code. What is your company code? KIM, right? So and execute. Okay, execute. It will see the report. Okay, but we don't use this. Okay, we don't use for any customization. So tables will work in SAP S4HANA, but we don't use. Okay, so we use only this table for customization. Okay, everything we use this only. Okay. And the second pointer is so it will store currency information, okay, ledger information, all the information, okay. So here BKPF header data and BSEC, okay. So BKPF is same, okay. So here the revenues, purchase, payables, inventory, tax, sales, everything is accounting document. It will be stored in header data, and also so earlier is a BSEC, okay. Earlier it's a BSEC, but this was removed. Okay, we don't use this. Okay, so this is universal journal. So universal journal means ACDOCA. So here general ledger information, profitability, COPA, and management accounting CO, and cost accounting, asset accounting, material ledger. All the information will be stored in the ACDOCA table only. Okay, and so ACDOCA is a universal journal. So, by introduction of this concept in SAP S4HANA, what is the advantage to the companies? So, we can close the accounts faster close, okay, and we can make it integrated planning. So, integrate means we link with other areas like all areas FI, CO, okay, and AP, all should be integrated. All ledgers information, leading, non-leading, extension. Okay, there is no disruptive. So by using this, there is no impact. There is no disruptive. Okay, it's a single source of truth. It's a single source of truth. So it's a column oriented, and it is also cloud compatibility possible. Okay, so these are the advantages of ACDOCA. Real-time information will be stored in the ACDOCA. Okay, so you tell these things to the interviewer. Okay, to tell these things to the interviewer. So actually, there is a lot of buzz around this universal journal concept at the initial stage. It's a single source of truth, and see earlier there are different tables generally used, right? Okay, for open items, customer items, cleared items, open. So there are different kind of tables. All these tables are in one place right now. Okay, one place means there is only one table. If there is one table where we will see entire information, you'll see ledgers information. So you'll see currency setup information, currency information, and you'll see all the FICO information, okay, and controlling information. So letter ledger information, asset accounting information, receivables information, payables information, and because of this, there is no huge reconciliations. So reconciliations are there earlier in ECC. Okay, ECC there is a huge reconciliation issues. So in ECC, there is huge reconciliation issues. Okay, in ECC there is a huge reconciliation issues. Now SAP S4HANA there is no reconciliation. Okay, because if data is storing in multiple tables, there is a reconciliation. FI is a table, FI table different, and CO tables are different. That's the reason FI to CO integration related issues, and there is a huge reconciliation issues we'll see in ECC. But right now, all the data in one place, there is no reconciliation issues. Because of this, time saving is possible. Okay. So earlier there is a multiple source of truth. Okay, huge reconciliation efforts to eliminate the data redundancy. Okay, so there was about challenges because the components were structured differently with the different fields and the entities. Okay, now one place we will see all the information. Okay, there is a different reconciliation issues because the same data is storing in same tables. Okay, and also there is a lot of data consumption was there. Okay, and data redundancy is not possible earlier. Now data redundancy is possible. Okay, and data is stored in the tables, right? Data is stored in the tables. So HANA database. So we are maintaining HANA database connected to HANA database. Okay, guys, this is the overall idea regarding this ACDOCA table. Okay, so if anyone asks you what is ACDOCA, now you guys understand, right? At least you need to tell these things to the interviewer. Okay, at least you need to tell these things to the interviewer. That's it. And we have class tomorrow. Okay, we have class tomorrow. So everyone need to attend tomorrow class. Okay, Saturday we don't have. So I will tell you whenever the class is there. So tomorrow we have class. Okay, and the next thing is, okay, this is ACDOCA, and next thing is GL module. Okay, so I will close this. I will stop this recording option because this is different topic and the GL module is different, right? So just to close and just to stop the recording option.